Hello, today I have come up with another 5 topics. The first topic is NMC Act 2019. So, NMC is National Medical Commission. So, this is formed by the Act NMC Act 2019, and this is a medical regulatory agency in India. So, it regulates all the medical education in India, like medical admissions into colleges and so many other such functions it does. And this is in a way replacing Medical Council of India. So MCI used to be the earlier regulatory agency, and this is taking up major functions of all MCI now. And Medical Council of India, the earlier agency, is formed by Indian Medical Council Act in the year 1956. And now this National Medical Commission is found in the year 2019, very recently on August 8th. And this is working under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and headquarters is at New Delhi. And the chairman of NMC is the first chairman now. He is the first chairman, as this is formed in 2019 very recently, and he is Dr. S.C. Sharma, Satish Chandra Sharma. And the next topic is World Braille Day. So this is celebrated every year on January 4th, and this has come up with the announcement of United Nations General Assembly. So this proclaimed this day of January 4th as World Braille Day, and on November 2018. And after the proclamation, the first day was celebrated on January 4th, 2019. So this is the first celebration. And as we know, Louis Braille was the founder of a writing language system for the blind called the Braille script. So he is the founder of that, and this is the birth anniversary of Louis Braille. So Braille Day, World Braille Day, is the birth anniversary of Louis Braille, and this reiterates on human rights for the blind and visually impaired. So they too have some rights. So this is to give awareness about their rights and to give awareness to all the blind people about the Braille script, that they have this script for communication. So there are nearly 1.3 million blind or visually impaired people across the world. So to give awareness to them about the communication about Braille script, this day is celebrated. And the 2020, this year's celebration, is the second edition of it, as it is formed in 2019. This is our second edition, second observation of the day. And the next topic is NEST. The full form of NEST is New and Emerging Strategic Technologies. So this is a division under Ministry of External Affairs. So Ministry of External Affairs came up with a new division called New and Emerging Strategic Technologies. So this is mainly dealing with two technological issues like 5G technology and artificial intelligence, AI. So these two are growing technologies in the world. This is the norm of the world now, the 5G and the AI, and this is mainly dealing with these two technological aspects. And this also deals with some rules in technology, some standards in technology, and architecture that is needed for science and technology, for the strategic technology things, and technology diplomacy, foreign policy, and legal aspects. So this is with these three aspects are with other foreign countries. So we must have technology collaboration or sharing, that is diplomacy, with other countries. And foreign policy, we must have a good foreign policy, good strategic planning and policy planning for sharing of technology. And legal aspects, our technology should be protected. So for that reason, we must have some legal aspects of technology, and this is also being looked upon by NEST. And this is about NEST. And the fourth topic is 2020 year of N&M. So World Health Organization, WHO, declared 2020 as year of nurse and midwife. So we know who are nurses, and midwives are those who look after the pregnancy issues of women and the labor and the postpartum after childbirth care. So they are midwives. So year of nurse and midwife. So 2020 is declared as so. And this is the 200th birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale. So we know Florence Nightingale is called the Lady with the Lamp. So Florence Nightingale, as we know, she was a nurse, and she is called famously Lady with the Lamb, because she is a social reformer who helped soldiers while treating their injuries in the Crimean War, and we know about her. And this is the 2020 is the 20th 200th birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale. So this is declared like Year of Nurse and Midwife by WHO 2020. And World Nursing Report, we have this report in relation to the nurse thing. We have World Nursing Report every year published by World Health Organization, and this speaks about various statistics about nurses. So what is the role, or what is the standard or stage, or the phase of nursing in our world? So at present, the World Health Organization released the statistics for 2020 as we have 36.9 nurses per 10,000 of people, and America has got 10 times more nurses than Africa. And there are so many other statistics. I've mentioned only few. And by 2030, we are going to have, the world is going to have 5.7 million of nurse shortage. We need more nurses in the world, and nurses comprise the largest component of health professionals. So among all those working for health, nurses make up the most. And this is about 2020 Year of Nurse and Midwife. And the last topic is KVIC, Khadi and Village Industries Commission. So this is a statutory body, and this came up in the year 1957. And as it is a statutory body, it must come up with an act. So the act is 1956, KVIC Act of 1956. This is working under Ministry of MSME, Micro, Small, Marginal Enterprises. And earlier there used to be a board, All India Khadi and Village Industries Board. So this board is replaced by this commission. So until 1956, before this act has come, we have All India Khadi and Village Industries Board, and after this act came, we got this commission of KVIC. And the head office of KVIC is in Mumbai. And this has also zonal offices in 6 different states, like in Delhi, Bhopal, Bangalore, and Kolkata, Mumbai, and Guwahati. And apart from these zonal offices, we also have 28 other offices all across the country. And the functions are to plan, promote, facilitate, organize, and assist this Khadi and village industry. So this is coming up with this one sentenced function where you have everything. So for Khadi and village industries, for planning, promoting, facilitating, organizing, and assisting these industries, this commission has come up. And to know about something about Khadi, it is very important in India because Khadi is a hand-woven cloth that is very indigenous to India. And for this we use charkha, and this Khadi has played a very important role in independence fight. It was used as a political weapon by Mahatma Gandhi for the Swadeshi movement in the year 1920. So in this view, Khadi is important, and this is the commission for the development of Khadi and village industry. So these are the 5 topics for today, and thank you.